The difference between the script and this script is when we use this script, that means we are going to write the codes in here. But when we use this script, it means we are coming to reference the code from another page. So that's where we'll have here and say main.js. So we are referencing it. So in here, that's when we put our main.js and say we are referencing the script from this page, this file here. And then with the link, we will reference style.css here. You can name it anything as long as it has the ending as css, you are good to go. So we'll have it style.css here. And then the difference between this and then this is, so you see some right style. So the difference between this and then this is that with this one you are referencing it from another file, but with this one you are going to write your css in here. Let's take notes. The difference between the styles and then the scripts. If you don't get anything, please you let me know. But it's for the sake of writing codes that will be used in future references, it's just advisable to reference them from their files, so that when in case there should be an issue with this index file, you can be able to rectify the issue faster than everything being clumsy and all placed at one place, making it difficult and then making the codes too lengthy for review. So the good practice is to have the codes called from their other files, so that it makes it a lot simpler and easier, and yes, it makes it readable as well.